Hi, my name is Edgar Hidalgo. I am an instructor for the Infrared Training Center and I will be making a series of short videos about Thermal Studio. Before we continue, remember you can follow us in Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Our first video will be about creating, installing, and connecting Ignite Sync in Thermal Studio to Ignite in the cloud and to your compatible infrared camera. For this, you're going to need three things. First, you will need to have an account with the Infrared Training Center or with FLIR. You will need to have Thermal Studio installed on your computer, and you will need to have a compatible camera with Ignite installed in it. So we're going to go to the Ignite site. Just type ignite.flir.com, and there, if you don't have an account, you can create it over there. If you do have an account, you can just enter your information, your password. So then you should be able to see your folders and any images that you might have uploaded to your account. The next step should be to connect your camera to Ignite as well. So you can upload images from the camera directly to Ignite on the cloud. So if I connect my camera, you will see that in the settings we have the option to FLIR Ignite. That I will need to sign in to FLIR Ignite to enable this automatic uploading of images that I can take on the field. So I'm just going to go to FLIR Ignite. I'm going to click sign in my camera, and you see that you're prompted to go into that site. So it's FLIR ignite.flir.com pairing, and I will need to enter this code. So we're going to go to the site again. So on your web browser, you will just change here, instead of library, we'll write pairing, and we will enter whatever the code is. So I'll enter my actual code because it changes. It might be different from what I showed before. And just click here, start pairing, and the rest should be happening in your camera. So just wait your camera to respond to the pairing process, and that should be it. Okay, so here that is all you need to do, and you can go back to your library. I can select the auto upload of images in the camera. So whenever the camera is connected to a Wi-Fi network or via Bluetooth on your phone, images will be automatically uploaded. The other thing we need to do, if we have everything in sync, is just go to the settings in Thermal Studio, and we will go over here. It says Ignite Sync option. You see that it's giving me the option to install Ignite. So I'm going to install it, download and install. So once installed, you will be prompted to select the folder where you want to locate or sync your images. So you just need to go and select whatever folder in your computer you want that to happen. So I'll select connecting anyways. I have another folders in there, so that should be fine. So I'm just gonna click next, and that's it. You can see my name is over here and the available space that I have on the cloud. So now whenever I save an image in my camera, my thermal camera, it will be automatically synced to the cloud in ignite.flir.com, and it will be automatically synced to my computer. Everything is connected. So that's how you connect ignite with your computer and your infrared camera.